Hello and welcome. Donlprice here. And today I want to talk about a powerful procedure that can change your life. How to construct affirmations for results. Many of us face challenges that can feel insurmountable, but crafting personalized affirmations, we can shift our mindset and create the outcome we desire. I've experienced firsthand the transformative power of affirmations and how they can propel us towards our goals. It's about identifying what we want, articulating it positively, and repeating it consistently until it becomes part of our reality. I encourage you to take this step and start crafting your affirmations today. Stay with me and let's dive into how to construct affirmations for results, a step by step guide to manifesting affirmations. Affirmations are powerful statements of intent that can transform your mindset and propel you towards success. By using them wisely, consistently, you can harness their power to create lasting changes in your life. This guide will walk you through crafting effective affirmations to help you achieve your desired outcomes. What are affirmations and how do they work? Affirmations are positive, empowering statements you repeat to yourself internally or out loud. These statements can help challenge and counteract negative self talk and create new positive thought patterns. When used consistently, affirmations can rewire your brain and change your perception of yourself and the world around you. Step one, identifying your core beliefs and thought patterns. Examine your core beliefs and thought patterns to create affirmations for your desired outcome. Consider any negative thoughts or beliefs and how they might interfere with your success. For example, if you want to create a new habit, brainstorm the current thoughts or beliefs holding you back, such as, I always fail at adopting new habits, or I'm not disciplined enough. Number two, choose keywords or affirmative phrases. Once you have identified the negative thoughts you wish to challenge, select a keyword or affirmative phrase that resonates with you. For this guide, our chosen phrase is, I am grateful, which communicates appreciation and positivity. Step three, craft your affirmation for results. Now that you have your chosen phrase, frame it in a way that reinforces the positive intentions or desired outcomes. The affirmation should be phrased in the present tense as if it's already true. For example, I am grateful for my ability to commit and maintain new habits. Step four, use repetition and powerful visualization. Incorporate your new affirmations into your daily routine by repeating it to yourself regularly. As you repeat your affirmations, use your inner artist to paint a powerful picture of your desired results. Visualize yourself embodying this affirmation and achieving your goal, and immerse yourself fully into the emotions and sensations associated with your success. To keep your motivation strong, record your affirmations so that you can listen to them when you wake, go to sleep, or any other time you need positive reminders. Step five, beware of pitfalls and stay motivated. As with any new habit, seeing results from your affirmations may take time. Keep in mind that setbacks and challenges are normal. Be patient with yourself and remember that change process can be gradual. One potential pitfall to watch out for is using overly ambitious affirmations that can feel insincere or unrealistic. Focus on creating genuine and achievable affirmations, making maintaining dedication and consistency easier. Conclusion: creating and using affirmations can be powerful in manifesting your desired outcome. Commit to incorporating them into your daily routine and remain patient as your new thought patterns emerge. With consistency and practice, you be well on your way to achieving your goals and creating meaningful, lasting change in your life. So start crafting your affirmations today and watch your dreams become a reality. Good luck, and remember, you can do it. Also, please subscribe and leave your comments below.